Okay, in this video I'm going to show you some of the best practices and things that we recommend when capturing an image to upload for scoring with our AI. We have a couple of different directions that whitetail and mule deer can face, one being with the main beam going away from you and one with the main beam going towards you. You want to have a slight downward perspective, and you want to make sure that the antler takes up the majority of the frame of the photo. For example, you want to be as close to the antler as you possibly can without cutting off any of the tines. You want to make sure that all tines are clearly visible and where they branch off of the main beam as well. Here are the couple of configurations that we use for mule deer. One where it's laying tines up and the main beam away, and here again tines up with the main beam facing towards you, looking with a slight perspective down. Mule deer also, you can, if the antlers has a curvature and sits properly, they can sit up sometimes. You can also take the photo this way. Again, follow the same standard of the antler taking up the majority of the frame. As you can see, we've been using black background. We highly recommend you using the highest quality black background that you can find. We haven't tested on anything other than black, but we do feel confident that we will be able to soon be able to score antlers on things other than just a black background. Here are a couple of the close-ups and kind of POV of how to take the mule deer photos. Again, this is that one where it's propped up. Takes a little while for these ones. They're kind of, I've noticed they are difficult to do. And it does take a little while, so do play with how to take the photo and try to capture the best image that you can to get the best result. And then the elk, we usually go about waist high, stand 3 or 4 feet away from the antler, have a downward perspective. Here's a little kind of a POV angle of what it looks like, and this is what the image should look like of the elk. So with that being said, this is a little example of how easy it is to use. So we're going to score a whitetail antler. We're going to use the capture function built within the app. Make sure we're going to take a quality image, snap the image, we'll check OK, and then continue. And boom, there it is. We're still working on accuracy. It's pretty good, but not nearly as good as I want it to be.